Hi, this is Nashmia from Rendry. Today, I'll show you how to launch your own AI assistant in minutes with our zero-code setup for Replyze AI. First, enter your basic information to create your account. Select the plan that fits your business needs and securely enter your payment details to begin your trial. Here's where the magic happens. Start by entering your business name and a brief description. Simply enter your website URL. Replyze will automatically crawl your site to study your business. For even more precision, you can upload a PDF or add custom text like company values and specific policies to fine-tune the model. If you have specific FAQs that require a word-for-word answer, you can hard-code those responses here. Choose the task you want Replyze to handle. For example, at Rendream, we use it for appointment booking. Just check the boxes for the information you need to collect, like date, time, and service type, and Replyze handles the rest. Now give your AI a voice. Select its language and personality style, whether professional, quirky, or empathetic, and set your custom greetings. Click Finish Setup while the AI builds your custom engine. To go live, enter your WhatsApp number and scan the generated QR code using linked devices on your mobile app, and you're live. From the neatly organized dashboard to real-time chat management, Reply's AI makes automation effortless. Support ticket overviews show you the exact status of what's open, in progress, and closed conveniently in its own dashboard section. No codes, no headaches. Thanks for watching. This was Nashmia. Bye-bye.